Hi, I am Nirant Kawani, co-founder of Monarch Enterprise Bardoli. We proudly operate two brand showroom, Diamond Goldie specializing in natural diamond and Hirak dedicated to a lab-grown diamond. In 2005, my brother and I envisioned creating a diamond jewelry brand together as a passion project. By 2015, after a decade of learning and growth, we achieved international standard in high quality finishing, unique designs and after sales service, catering to valued customer who travel across the world. આજે અમે નેચરલ ડાયમંડ, લેબ-ગ્રોન ડાયમંડ, ઝેન્ઝી ગોલ્ડ, પ્લેટિનિયમ, વર્મિલ સિલ્વર અને ટાઇટેનિયમની જ્વેલરીમાં ઉત્કૃષ્ટ કામ કરીએ છીએ. આ બધી ફક્ત જ્વેલરીની કેટેગરી જ નથી જે અમે એડમાયર કરીએ છીએ. બટ ફોર અસ, જ્વેલરી ઇઝ એન આર્ટ ફોર્મ. વિથ ઇનોવેશન એન્ડ મોડર્નિટી, we carved our niche as a brand and designed our new showroom to reflect this vision. That is how Diamond Goldie and Hirak have become what they are today, symbol of modern expression in jewelry. This year, Monarch Enterprise proudly completes 20 years. We sincerely thank our loyal customers, supporters and our dedicated staff for being part of this wonderful journey. Our aim is to carry forward this trust for many more years to come. To celebrate 20 years of trust and brilliance, we bring a special gesture of gratitude. Enjoy up to 100% off on making charges. Our way of saying thank you.